Looking to build a stunning setup that performs as good as it looks? In this video, we're counting down the top 6 best white gaming PC cases of 2025 that combine sleek aesthetics with exceptional airflow, versatile layouts, and premium build quality. Whether you're aiming for a clean, minimalist look or an RGB-packed masterpiece, these cases offer the perfect foundation for your dream rig. And trust us, one of these cases will absolutely blow your mind with its features and design. Make sure to watch until the end to find the perfect match for your build. As always, you can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow is a mid-tower PC case designed for gamers and builders who prioritize airflow and aesthetics. Its sleek, minimalist design features a perforated front panel and a tempered glass side panel, showcasing your build while ensuring optimal cooling. The case supports motherboards up to mini-itx, making it versatile for high-end builds. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, 2 front, 1 rear, and supports up to 7 fans in total, including 360mm radiators at the front, top, and side. Cable management is a breeze thanks to the spacious interior and NZXT's signature cable routing system. The H7 Flow also includes a built-in fan hub supporting up to 6 PWM fans and offers ample storage options with 2 SSD trays and 2 HDD trays. Its tool-free design makes installation easy, and the front I/O panel includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.0, and audio ports. The case is compatible with GPUs up to 413mm and CPU coolers up to 185mm, ensuring it can handle even the most powerful components. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a workstation, the NZXT H7 Flow delivers a perfect balance of performance, style, and functionality. Number 4. Montech King 95 Pro. The Montech King 95 Pro is a premium mid-tower case that combines stunning aesthetics with exceptional airflow. Its dual curved tempered glass panels offer a panoramic view of your build, while the mesh front panel ensures excellent cooling performance. The case supports up to 9 120mm fans or multiple radiator configurations, making it ideal for water cooling enthusiasts. It includes 4 pre-installed ARGB fans, which can be controlled via the included fan hub or compatible software. The King 95 Pro supports motherboards up to mini-itx and features a vertical GPU mount for showcasing your graphics card. Storage options include 2 SSD trays and 2 HDD trays, with additional space for customization. The front I/O panel includes USB 3.0, USB-C, and audio ports, providing convenient connectivity. Cable management is straightforward thanks to the spacious interior and multiple routing holes. The case also supports GPUs up to 400mm and CPU coolers up to 170mm, ensuring compatibility with high-end components. With its unique design and robust feature set, the Montech King 95 Pro is a standout choice for builders looking to create a visually striking and high-performance PC. Number 3. Lian Li O11D. The Lian Li O11 Dynamic is a legendary PC case known for its dual-chamber design and exceptional build quality. Its tempered glass panels on the front and side provide a clear view of your components, while the aluminum frame adds durability and a premium feel. The case supports motherboards up to mini-itx and offers extensive cooling options, including support for up to 9 120mm fans or multiple radiators. It includes 2 USB 3.0 ports and a USB-C port on the front I/O panel, ensuring modern connectivity. The O11D's dual chamber layout separates the power supply and storage drives from the main components, improving airflow and cable management. Storage options include 2 SSD trays and 2 HDD trays, with additional mounting points for customization. The case supports GPUs up to 420mm and CPU coolers up to 155mm, making it compatible with high-end hardware. Whether you're building a custom water cooling loop or a high-performance air-cooled system, the Lian Li O11D offers unmatched versatility and style. Number 2. Hyte Y70. The Hyte Y70 is a modern mid-tower case that redefines PC building with its innovative design and features. Its standout feature is the 14.1-inch LCD screen on the side panel, which can display system stats, custom images, or videos. The case features a dual-chamber layout similar to the Lian Li O11D, ensuring excellent airflow and cable management. It supports motherboards up to mini-itx and includes 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans. The Y70 supports up to 10 120mm fans or multiple radiators, making it a great choice for water cooling setups. Storage options include 2 SSD trays and 2 HDD trays, with additional space for customization. The front I/O panel includes USB 3.0, USB-C, and audio ports, providing modern connectivity. The case supports GPUs up to 400mm and CPU coolers up to 180mm, ensuring compatibility with high-end components. With its unique LCD screen and premium build quality, the Hyte Y70 is perfect for builders who want to showcase their creativity and hardware. Number 1. Fractal Design Pop Air RGB. The Fractal Design Pop Air RGB is a compact mid-tower case that combines functionality with vibrant aesthetics. Its mesh front panel ensures excellent airflow, while the tempered glass side panel showcases your build. The case includes 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans, which can be controlled via the included fan controller or compatible software. It supports motherboards up to ATX and offers ample cooling options, including support for up to 7 120mm fans or multiple radiators. Storage options include 2 SSD trays and 2 HDD trays, with additional space for customization. The front I/O panel includes USB 3.0, USB-C, and audio ports, providing modern connectivity. Cable management is straightforward thanks to the spacious interior and multiple routing holes. The Pop Air RGB supports GPUs up to 405mm and CPU coolers up to 170mm, ensuring compatibility with high-end components. With its compact design, vibrant RGB lighting, and excellent airflow, the Fractal Design Pop Air RGB is a great choice for builders looking for a balance of style and performance.